We're going to start by taking a look at a study that Harvard University did in partnership with Boston Consulting Group. So they've had a large portion of BCG use AI in their daily work, and what they found is that the group that used AI, they completed 12% more tasks, they were 25% faster to do that, and they generated roughly 40% better quality results. It's awesome, that's fantastic. Well, there's the bad side to it as well, because what that study also found is that the same group, when they were working on things that were maybe outside of AI capabilities, they were 19% more likely to generate errors or even misinformation. And this is why it's so important to understand what is in scope for AI, especially this new wave of AI, the generative AI, the large language models. Large language models, as the name suggests, they're really good at one thing, processing text. The best way to think about it is that large language models are really good at guessing what is the most likely word. And they're actually very good at doing it with a lot of nuance and context, but it is a narrow skill. Well, at the same time though, that skill is pretty rare. The current systems are really bad at that. So even though it's a narrow skill, it's a very unique skill. And to give you an example, when we first started Neferdata back in October 2022, our goal was to help companies optimize their SaaS investments. We knew that there was a lot of information out there that would help companies to pick the right software for them, for their size, for their stage. How to do that, though, that information was locked in online reviews and emails and SEC filings, and we knew we had to get it out to the public, but how to do that, we didn't know. We thought we would have to hire a team of data scientists, spend millions of dollars on developing all of that information. And then serendipity, November 2022, OpenAI releases ChatGPT. Cannot make that stuff up. And so we jumped in very early and started using the tools. And fast forward by 12 months, November, December 2023, we were rolling. In the last couple of weeks of 2023, we released 8 AI-powered features to our platform in a matter of 7 weeks. Right? And we're talking about releasing stuff to production, not just some random POCs and proof of concept. This is actual features that people use. And an interesting thing happened at the beginning of 2024, because people started to reach out to us and say, hey, I see everything that you're doing, could you help us to use AI to automate our workflows or to add AI capabilities to our products? And we said, you know what, we actually can, because of the framework that we have, because of the foundation that we have. And that's what we did. We opened up our technology as a platform. And our platform is focused on 3 use cases, and those use cases are tailored to the strengths of the AI. So the first use case we call intelligent document processing. So if you get invoices from different vendors, every invoice roughly has the same data, but comes in a different format. Again, traditional systems struggle to process that. With AI, you can get the information out of it very easily. The second use case is knowledge search. Most companies have a lot of information locked in their emails, websites, internal documents, but finding that information is difficult. Again, AI great at processing text. You can just index that and then find whatever you need. And then last but not least, the data synchronization. So if you have different data in different places that maybe complements each other, but mapping it together is often difficult because product code versus product code or product number, and figuring all of that out is very manual. Well, AI can help with that. So again, our platform is tailored to the use cases that play to the strengths of AI. On the technical side, we also take care of a lot of the nitty-gritty things that you wouldn't even think about, that just to adjust for the shortcomings of the technology. And we do offer the platform with 2 variants. There's a no-code environment that anybody can start creating AI-powered tools in minutes, and there's also a rich API suite. If you have your own engineering team and want to add AI capabilities, make it super easy. You don't have to worry about managing. Because I'm running out of time, I'll skip this slide. You can literally set up an AI-powered workflow in under 10 minutes using our platform. And to wrap it up, I know I'm almost out of time. Where's the last slide? I think my laptop just froze. Okay, you will have to trust me. The last slide is an... The last slide, this is a testimonial from one of our customers. Becky is a CIO at a Michigan-based wholesale food distributor. They're a company that really looks after their margins. They gotta be careful. They always thought like AI, not for them, right? They don't have the time to weed through all of the BS and then figure out where it actually works. But they started working with us, and they started very small, very focused on that invoice processing use case. And those are actual quotes from her. And now they're experimenting with a bunch of other use cases, and it's just like opening up their eyes to what's possible with the help of AI. And to wrap it up, don't believe people that they will tell you that ChatGPT will solve world hunger and create self-driving cars. I used to work for a self-driving car company. It's good at few things, very few things, but it's really good at those things, and those things happen to have great applications. And our mission is to help to make those applications available to more people. With that, I open up the questions.